In this Hostinger VPS hosting discount tutorial, we go over how to get a Hostinger VPS coupon code, saving you money on your Hostinger VPS hosting purchase. By following along with me in this Hostinger VPS promo code discount tutorial, you'll know how to save money on your Hostinger VPS hosting purchase, so you don't have to pay a higher price for your Hostinger VPS hosting. You want to start by clicking the link in the description below to take advantage of the Hostinger VPS discount. I've included the Hostinger coupon code next to the link in the description that I'll be using later in the video. You'll get Hostinger VPS hosting for as low as $4.64 a month instead of the regular $4.99 a month pricing. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I receive a commission from Hostinger at no extra cost to you. Plus you get an awesome Hostinger discount. Once you click the link in the description, you'll be on the Hostinger VPS hosting page. Click the Start Now button. You'll now be taken down to the Hostinger VPS hosting plans. You get a greater discount than you see being listed here by using the Hostinger coupon code I've included next to the link in the description. You'll see the 4 different Hostinger hosting plans listed: the KVM1, KVM2, KVM4, and KVM8 plan. Now I want to go over how to save even more money than the discounted amount you see being listed here. Select the VPS plan you'd like to go with. Click the Choose Plan button on the VPS plan you want. For this tutorial, I'll choose the KVM1 plan. The discount will work on any of the Hostinger VPS hosting plans. Now let's save even more money than what we see being listed here. You'll see that you have a coupon code. Click this. Enter the Hostinger coupon code I've included with the link in the description. Click Apply. You'll see the additional amount we will be saving. In the period section, you can change the term you'd like to go with. You'll save the most money with the 24-month term. I'll change it to the 12-month term, and you'll see the discount we will now be saving on our Hostinger VPS hosting purchase. Next, you can choose the server location from the dropdown. Next, you can choose the operating system if you'd like. This is optional. You can choose plain OS, OS with panel, and application. You can change this later through your VPS dashboard. Click the Continue button to proceed with creating your account and making your purchase. Enjoy your Hostinger VPS coupon code discount so you can save money on your Hostinger VPS hosting purchase. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment letting us know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as the comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more Hostinger hosting tutorial videos.